Crypto sounds complicated. Blockchains, mining, decentralization, wallets. Most people hear those words and check out. Crypto isn't confusing. It's explained badly. Let me break it down Stickman style. No fancy words. My name is Tito. If crypto confuses you, subscribe and like. Before you understand crypto, you need to understand money. Part 1: What money actually is. Money is a way to trade, store value, and something everyone agrees has value. Dollars only work because we all agree they do. Governments can print more money. Inflation reduces buying power. Banks can freeze accounts. Everything runs on trust. Crypto was created to remove the middleman. Part 2: How crypto actually works. Imagine a giant public notebook. Every transaction is written. Everyone can see it. No one can erase it. That notebook is the blockchain. Thousands of computers agree on what's true. No single boss. Once recorded, it can't be secretly changed. That's what makes it powerful. Part 3: Why Bitcoin matters. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. No printing more. Ever. Traditional money can expand based on policy. That scarcity is why people call Bitcoin digital gold. Scarcity alone doesn't create value. Demand does. Millions believe Bitcoin hedges inflation and control. Part 4: The risks nobody talks about. Crypto is not magic. Prices can drop 20% in a day. Scams exist everywhere. If you lose your private key, your crypto is gone. Forever. No forgot password button. That's freedom and responsibility. Volatility is the price of innovation. New tech moves up and down. Part 5: The smart approach. Learn before you invest. Start small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Treat crypto as high risk, not your entire plan. Diversification and patience still matter. Risk management matters even more. Crypto is a new way to think about ownership, trust, and control. It removes middlemen. Replaces trust with code. But it doesn't remove risk. The future of money is evolving. Will you understand it? Or ignore it? If this made crypto click, comment blockchain below. I'll see you in the next one.